You're halfway through kneading when your mixer stalls on dough again. I researched dozens of stand mixers for dough and filtered the ones that actually handle heavy batches. What I found about torque and gear quality will save you from stand mixers for dough that overheat fast. Let's dive in. We're kicking things off at number 5 with a name that probably needs no introduction: the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer. There's a reason this thing has been around for decades and barely changed. All metal construction, planetary mixing action with 59 touch points around the bowl, and 10 speed settings that cover everything from a gentle stir to full-on whipping. It's essentially a downsized commercial Hobart sitting on your counter. And that's not marketing fluff. That's how it actually works. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl handles up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. That's real capacity for holiday baking or double batches. The tilt head design makes adding ingredients easy, and the bowl locks into place so you're not holding anything while it runs. Now here's what really sets this apart from most mixers: the accessory ecosystem. Pasta rollers, meat grinders, grain mills, ice cream makers. That single power hub on the front turns this into way more than a mixer. It's a long-term kitchen platform. But let's talk about the weak spots, because they're real. The included flat beater and dough come with a powder coating that some owners report chips over time. A few have even received units with chipped attachments straight out of the box. You can upgrade to bare stainless steel replacements, but that's extra money on top of an already premium purchase. Also worth knowing, the attachments should be hand washed. Dishwasher detergent degrades the coating and leaves a gray residue you don't want near your food. One more thing: people who push heavy bread dough regularly have reported the internal nylon safety gear wearing out. It's replaceable and designed to protect the motor, but swapping it yourself is not exactly fun. That said, owners consistently report these lasting 20, even 30 years. That kind of longevity is rare in any appliance category. If you want a mixer you'll likely never have to replace, this is the benchmark. You'll find the link in the description. At number 4, we've got the Cuisinart 5.5-quart stand mixer, and this is probably the strongest value play on the entire list. Here's what caught my attention: a 500-watt motor with die-cast metal construction and 12 speed settings. That's serious hardware for this price range. And the 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl handles most home baking batches without breaking a sweat. Cookies, pie crust, pizza dough, it covers the ground. Now, where this mixer really earns its spot is bread. One owner wrote a review after 2 full years of rigorous bread baking, milling their own flour from wheat, berries, and rye. Heavy, sticky doughs every week. The motor never overheated, never stalled. That kind of long-term feedback is worth more than any spec sheet. There's something they don't usually mention though. The attachments are cross-compatible with other major brand accessories. That means if you already own attachments from a previous mixer, there's a good chance they'll work here. And Cuisinart offers its own lineup too: pasta extruder, ice cream maker, meat grinder. The versatility grows over time. But here's the honest tension: the paddle and dough hook don't quite reach the very bottom of the bowl. You'll need to stop and scrape occasionally, especially early in a mix. There is an adjustment screw to fix this, but it takes some effort to turn. Also, the head latch sits at the back and requires 2 hands to operate. When your fingers are covered in flour or butter, that's a minor annoyance. For anyone who bakes regularly and wants metal construction, a capable motor, and a real splash guard without paying premium prices, this Cuisinart delivers where it counts. It comes with the whisk, dough hook, paddle, and splash guard right out of the box. Everything you need for day one. You'll find the link in the description. Number 3 on the list is the Bonnor stand mixer, and this one caught my attention for a reason you might not expect. It comes with a 2-quart ice cream maker attachment right out of the box. No extra purchase, no separate machine on your counter. Just freeze the bowl, attach it, and you're making homemade ice cream in 20 to 30 minutes. For a stand mixer in this range, that's a genuinely smart inclusion that sets it apart. Now, what actually matters for baking? 660 watts from a pure copper motor. That's solid. Not the most powerful option on this list, but enough to handle bread dough and thick batters without stalling. 360 planetary mixing keeps everything even, and overheat protection lets you run it for 30 minutes straight. For most home baking sessions, that covers you. Here's where Bonnor went a different direction. The LED touchscreen on top with 4 one-touch programs: kneading, whipping, mixing, stirring. You're not bending down to fiddle with a dial mid-recipe. There's also a built-in timer. Sounds simple, but when you're juggling 3 things in the kitchen, set it and walk away. That kind of convenience adds up fast. 11 speeds plus pulse gives you real range. Gentle folding, smooth blending, fast whipping. The 6-quart stainless steel bowl handles family-sized batches easily. Tilt head design makes adding ingredients simple. The honest part, Bonnor is not a household name. If brand reputation and long-term parts availability matter to you, that's worth weighing. They back it with a 3-year warranty, which does help ease that concern. But it's fair to flag, what I think makes this a strong pick at number 3 is that it punches above its weight in features. The touchscreen, the timer, the ice cream attachment. Most mixers at this level don't bundle all of that together. You'll find the link in the description.
These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you, with zero spam. Link in the description.
Number 2 on the list, and this one caught me off guard. The CUSIMAX stand mixer. 5 quarts, 650 watts. Here is what makes it interesting. It has a built-in 15-minute timer. That is not something you see on most mixers at this level. You set it and walk away. No hovering, no guessing, no overkneading your dough because you got distracted. For anyone who bakes bread or pizza dough regularly, that timer is genuinely useful. It is a small detail that solves a real problem. Now, 650 watts is solid for a home baker. It is not going to rival a commercial machine, but for cookie dough, cake batter, and moderate bread recipes, that motor has the muscle to get through without stalling. 8 speed settings give you enough range to go from a slow fold to a proper whip, and the 5-quart stainless steel bowl hits that sweet spot where you can do a decent batch without the mixer feeling oversized on your counter. The tilt head design makes swapping attachments easy. Dough hook, flat beater, wire whip. All 3 are included. All snap onto the shaft without a fight. The splash guard is a nice touch too. Adding flour mid-mix without coating your entire kitchen is something you appreciate fast. Now, here is where I want to be straight with you. The housing is ABS plastic, not metal. That keeps the weight down and the cost low, but it does raise a durability question for long-term heavy use. If you are kneading stiff dough multiple times a week for years, a full metal body would inspire more confidence. For weekend bakers and regular home use though, this setup should hold up fine. The anti-slip suction cups help keep it planted, which matters when the motor is working hard. CUSIMAX is not a household name, and that is part of why it sits here at number 2 instead of higher. But honestly, for what you get, this is a smart buy for anyone who wants a capable stand mixer without a big commitment. The link is in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on ECHA of these items. Taking the top spot, the KitchenAid 4.5 quart tilt head stand mixer. Look, this probably surprises no one. This brand has been the default answer for decades. But after digging into what real owners are saying, it's not just coasting on reputation. It earns this spot. All metal construction, heavy, and that's exactly the point. Heavy means stable. No wobbling during kneading, no creeping across the counter. People using this for sourdough and daily bread say it handles both without fuss. Just keep dough mixing on lower speeds and it won't complain. The tilt head design is smart for home bakers. Tilt it back, drop your ingredients in, lock it down. Scraping the bowl, swapping attachments, adding flour mid-mix, all significantly easier than a bowl lift setup. That alone changes the whole work. 10 speeds gives you genuine range. Stir for dry ingredients, medium for cake batter, higher for whipping cream. 59 touch points around the bowl mean the beater reaches practically everywhere, less stopping to scrape down the sides. Now, 4.5 quarts is enough for most households. 8 dozen cookies per batch is solid, but if you regularly double up bread dough or bake for crowds, you might want more capacity. The bowl also has no handle, which gets annoying when pouring heavy batter. Minor, but worth knowing. And here's something that stood out. KitchenAid's customer service still backs these up quickly. One owner had a motor issue after 9 months. Full replacement within days. Prepaid return label included. That kind of after-sales support counts for a lot. It ships with flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip. The attachment hub opens up pasta, grinding, and more. It's a platform, not just a mixer. For everyday baking, this is the one to beat. You'll find the link in the description. Now you know which stand mixers actually handle heavy dough and which ones stall out when it matters. Some have limited time deals running right now, so if one stood out to you, the links are in the description.